Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. I'm Sean Bradley, and this is my uh, channel for gamers, retro gaming, or retro TVs or consoles. So today I'm going to show you a connection with a coaxial from the Sega Genesis into the RCA TV here, which is CRT TV, glass screen. And so this is a coaxial Sega Genesis official RF connection. I'm using it to connect straight into the back of the TV. It has kind of a weird, it only has a couple of threads showing in the back of this unit. Might be better to have a separate modulator um, with this unit. Anyways, that's how it looks. I'll press start and so you can see. So the graphics are pretty cool. For someone who played it in the early 90s, you might actually want the coaxial connection because you're more nostalgic for the look of it. Okay, that's enough of that. And now I will show you the AV connection, which I'm going to connect right now. Hold on one second. So I connected the AV connection for the Sega Genesis, which you can buy brand new. I think for around 10 or $10 or something like that. So we'll go ahead and turn on this Durabrand TV with the AV connection. Turn off the RCA. I have it on auxiliary, which is cool. I didn't need the remote. And I'll let you look at it. Oh, we have a disturbance here. So as you can see, it's a little bit more clear, a little bit more crisp. Thank you for watching.